Everyone who sells products online, whether digital products on Etsy, Amazon, or anything else, knows that the most important thing is finding a product with low competition and at the same time high demand. That balance right there is what drives a ton of sales. And I get questions every single day in the comments. How do I find a product with low competition but high demand? Today, I promise you, if you focus on this video and follow along step by step, you'll be able to find these products very easily. Not just that, you'll also be able to optimize your SEO for your website or your online store, whether it's on Etsy or anywhere else. And you'll be able to find the right keywords that bring you easy and fast sales. Just stick with me. Now, at the beginning, a lot of us go to ChatGPT and ask it for product ideas. So if we go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us 10 digital products for kids to sell on Etsy in 2026, the answer will be random. Yes, ChatGPT will give you 10 product ideas, but these ideas are completely random. They're not based on accurate or real data. So the question is, how do we turn ChatGPT into a precise research tool that gives us 10 low competition, high demand products based on real, accurate data? Here's exactly what we do. We go to Settings, then Apps, and we search for an app called Semrush. You'll see it right there, and all you have to do is connect it to your ChatGPT account. This tool will literally transform ChatGPT into a powerful research engine, giving you profitable product ideas with high accuracy based on real market data. And you're about to see that for yourself. Semrush is a powerful all-in-one marketing intelligence platform that helps you make data-driven decisions instead of guesses. Unlike tools that only generate ideas, it shows you real search demand, keyword difficulty, and competition levels based on actual market data. With Semrush, you can quickly validate product ideas, discover profitable niches, and understand what people are really searching for before you invest your time or money. It turns vague assumptions into clear, actionable insights that help you build and sell digital products with much more confidence and accuracy. And I'd like to thank Semrush for sponsoring this video. You'll find the link in the pinned comment and in the description. Go ahead, click it, and let's apply this together. Now if we go back to ChatGPT, but this time with Semrush activated, and ask it the exact same question, give me 10 digital products to sell in 2026, in just 1 minute, you'll notice something completely different. The results are now organized, structured, and honestly, you're about to be impressed. Just keep watching until the end. As you can see, it already gave me 10 product ideas, but now let's compare. If I go back to regular ChatGPT without Semrush and ask it to pick the top 3 ideas from those 10 that have high demand and low competition, yes, it will give me an answer. But if you actually read that answer, you'll realize it's completely random, not based on any real data. So to really see the difference, let's go back to ChatGPT connected with Semrush and ask the same exact question. I'll tell it, from these 10 products, give me the top 3 with high demand and low competition. And now look at the response. This time, it clearly tells you that these ideas are based on not saturated SEO keywords, and then it reassures you, real money is made using these kinds of ideas. Then it breaks everything down by analyzing those 10 ideas using 3 key factors: low competition, high demand, and the real Etsy behavior, which is based on actual Google search data for these products. After that, it gives you extremely detailed data about the top 3 products it selected, products with low to medium competition, high demand, and at the same time, high profit potential. I'm telling you, if you tried to research these products manually, it could take you weeks, even months. And here, with one click, Semrush analyzed everything for you. It picked the top 3 winning products, analyzed each one in detail, checked the competition level, the demand, and even estimated the average sales for each product. Honestly, I was genuinely impressed seeing this for the first time. And it doesn't stop there. It even summarizes everything for you at the end and gives you a clear final result. But trust me, we're not done yet. You're about to be even more impressed. Now if we go back to regular ChatGPT without Semrush and ask it to generate 20 SEO keywords for these 3 products, like I promised you earlier, that this tool can give you amazing keywords. It will give you 20 keywords, but again, these are completely random, not based on real data at all. However, if we go back to ChatGPT connected with Semrush and ask for the same thing, 20 keywords for these 3 winning products, look at this result. It's amazing, as usual. Semrush selected these keywords based on real data analysis, focusing on low SEO competition, and at the same time, it ensures these keywords are highly relevant to Etsy searches specifically. Why? Because it analyzes real user behavior on Etsy and gives you the exact keywords people are actually searching for, keywords with low competition and high opportunity. I went through these keywords myself, and I was seriously blown away. It even gives you a targeting example, like busy book printable. But notice, it doesn't just throw that keyword randomly into the list. Instead, it shows you the related keywords within that niche that people are actively searching for. I'm telling you, this tool can take your Etsy store to a whole new level. And if you use it the right way, your next product could generate sales beyond what you even imagine. And guess what? We're still not done yet. I haven't finished testing this tool. I'm going to take you all the way to an incredible final result, so keep watching with me. Now, to get even closer to the most profitable product, I'm going back to ChatGPT without Semrush, and I'll ask it, estimate the search demand and competition level for these keywords in 2026. Look at the result. I'm sure you can already tell. ChatGPT alone, because it's not relying on real Etsy-related data or actual SEO data, just generated this completely randomly, and that clearly shows in the output. And don't worry, we're going to test this in a moment by actually searching and verifying the results ourselves. But now, if I ask Semrush the same exact question, look at this incredible result. At this point, it honestly feels like a real SEO expert is talking to me. It tells me that it will base its analysis on the structure of the keywords, whether they are broad keywords or long-tail keywords. And it also considers known demand patterns on Etsy and Pinterest to deliver accurate data, not random guesses. And this is exactly what I love about it. It even explains how to read the data it provides, including monthly demand, competition levels, and how everything is aligned specifically with Etsy SEO in a very precise way. Now, if we scroll down to the first niche it selected, you'll see that it listed the keywords under that niche, then organized them into a table based on demand and competition. It also grouped the keywords in a much smarter way, separating long-tail keywords from core product keywords, and structured them in a clean, strategic format. And honestly, I highly recommend you organize your keywords the same way when you upload your product. Then it does the exact same process for the other 3 products. And after that, it analyzes real user behavior when searching for these products, so you know exactly what to write in your product description and which keywords to use with precision. And yes, it can even help you write the description, generate keywords, and optimize everything, with just one click and a level of accuracy that's honestly hard to imagine. This is not just a helpful tool. This is something you absolutely need for Etsy. Actually, anyone selling any product online needs this, but we're still not done. I'm going to run an even more advanced test. I'll go back to ChatGPT without Semrush and ask it, based on these keywords and details, which product is the most profitable among these 3? ChatGPT gave me an answer. It suggested 3 products and told me to start with one of them. but the result is not accurate at all. And you'll see why in a second, because again, it's not based on real data, it's just assumptions. Now let's go to ChatGPT connected with Semrush and ask the same question. Look at this. I'm seriously impressed. It gives you the niche it believes will generate the most sales, then backs it up with real data, starting from competition, demand, and even how much buyers are actually spending in that niche. Then it goes even further, analyzing whether this product will generate fast sales or slower sales, but with more long-term stability and safety. And it applies this same detailed analysis to all three products, exactly as you see. Finally, it gives you a comparison table between the three products. For example, the first product has medium competition, but is more stable in generating sales right now, so Semrush ranks it as the top option to sell immediately. The second product? It tells you that its stability is increasing, competition is very low, which makes it a highly profitable opportunity if you start today. And the third product, it explains that it's less stable in generating sales right now, but competition is also low, so it still has strong future potential. Then it gives you a complete strategy to generate sales using these three products, both for the short term and the long term. And finally, just to make things simple, it summarizes everything for you at the end, so you don't get lost. And to prove to you that Semrush actually relies on real data, here's what we're going to do. We'll simply take one of the products it gave us, let's say Airplane Travel Busy Book, copy it, then go directly to Etsy and search for it. You'll find that the competition is actually low, less than 1,000 results only. And even more interesting, all the sellers in this niche are getting sales. Let's try another example. I'll copy this one, Restaurant Waiting Busy Book, then go back to Etsy and search for it. Again, you'll see low competition, and the products here are actually selling. But now, if you go to ChatGPT without Semrush, take one of the profitable ideas it gave you, and search for it, you'll find high competition, more than 1,000 results. And as you can see, these products are not getting sales at all. And this is where you clearly see the difference with your own eyes. Semrush has transformed ChatGPT into an advanced research tool, powered by real, accurate data. And that's what makes it incredibly powerful for selling digital products, whether on Etsy or even Amazon, with a high level of precision. And honestly, Semrush doesn't stop there. It has so many features, starting from helping you build your own website to fully optimizing your SEO. And there are a lot of powerful tools inside Semrush. I'm definitely going to explain more of these features in upcoming videos. I really hope you got value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.